Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 33 of leverage analysis, CMA intermediate group second, cost and FM. Please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 33. Find out the operating leverage from the following data. Operating leverage. In the sales is given, variable cost is given, fixed cost is given. It is a very easy question. Find out the financial leverage from the following data. Net worth is given, debt equity ratio is given, interest rate is given, operating profit that equal to EBIT is given. Both are the very easy questions. Okay. Now I'm going to solve the question number first. Degree of operating leverage equal to contribution upon EBIT. Contribution upon EBIT. In this case, you have to calculate contribution as well as EBIT. Now, sales revenue is given, excuse me, sales revenue is given rupees 50,000 less variable cost. This is 60% of sales revenue. It is given here. 60%. The 60% of 50,000 that equal to of 50,000. 60% of 50,000. This is 30,000. Now, contribution you will have. Contribution. Contribution is rupees 20,000 less fixed cost. Fixed cost is given, this is 12,000. EBIT 8,000. EBIT 8,000. Now contribution. Contribution is 20,000. This is 8,000. You can write here 20,000 divided by 8,000. This is a 2.5. Degree of operating leverage is 2.5. Now, degree of financial leverage, in this case you have to calculate. Degree of financial leverage equal to EBIT upon EBT. EBT is equal to EBIT minus interest. So you need to calculate interest here. And in the given question, interest rate is available. You have interest rate is given 12%, but interest amount is not given. So the interest rate is given, but debenture amount is not given. You have to calculate debenture, and debenture is calculated by using debt equity ratio. Debenture is calculated by using the debt equity ratio, and equity is assumed to be net worth. Net worth, this represent equity. This represent equity. Okay. Now, in second part, working note first. Calculation of debt amount. Debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio. This is given 3:1. This is a 3. Debt is calculated as debt divided by net worth is represents your equity. This is 25 lakh. This is the theory. Implies that debt equal to 3 into rupees 25 lakh. 3 is to rupees 25 lakh. This is rupees 75 lakh. This is 75 lakh. Now we can calculate interest on debt. That is interest on debt. Look at here. Interest rate is given 12%. 12% interest rate. Now 12% of rupees 75 lakh. 12% of rupees 75 lakh into 0.12, that is rupees 9 lakh. Interest is 9 lakh. Look at it. Degree of financial leverage equal to EBIT divided by EBT. EBT. EBIT divided by EBIT minus interest. Interest. What is the EBIT you have? EBIT, it is the operating profit. Operating profit is given here. Operating profit. This is your EBIT. Okay. EBIT 20 lakhs. EBIT is a 20 lakh in this case. Now 20 lakh divided by 20 lakh minus 9 lakh. This is 20 lakh divided by 11 lakh. 20 lakh divided by 11 lakh. So 20 divide 11, 1.818. This is your degree of operating financial leverage. 1.818 is a degree of financial leverage. 1.818 is the degree of financial leverage. Okay. Okay. Thank you, class.